Google's Circle to Search is one of the big features that arrived with the Samsung Galaxy S24 line a while back, as part of Samsung's and Google's big push towards AI in their products. But first and foremost, what exactly is it? Well, it's just another way to search via a reference image, similar to things like Google Lens that have existed before, that allows you to basically circle something you see on your screen and then have that thing be isolated and searched for online. But okay, how exactly do you do it? Well, it's pretty simple. Just hold down on your home button until your screen starts to get this weird blue gradient, and then simply circle whatever it is you want to search for, and the results will be brought up after some searching. And even though a lot of the promotional videos and images for this showed being used with an S Pen, you don't need to use any kind of stylus for it. As you saw, it works just fine if you're just using your finger instead. Now, if holding down on the home button doesn't activate Circle to Search, well, it can be turned off on your device. So here's exactly how to turn it on. First off, go into your settings just like this, and then scroll down until you see Display. Then tap on that and then scroll all the way down until you see navigation bar. Then go into there, and as you can see, Circle to Search is right there, so just make sure that is turned on. However, it's not just the S24 and later that can benefit from it. In fact, things like my older S23 Ultra still do actually support it. In fact, here's a long list of all of the devices that supported Circle to Search at launch, and that's not even the full thing, given how more devices, like say the S25 line, have been added since then. And keep in mind, it's not just phones either, given how things like Galaxy tablets are here as well. So it works pretty well if, for example, you see something in an image and you're wondering what exactly it is. It works in many ways, just like Google Lens, but it allows you to do it without any of the fuss of, say, having to download an image first and then upload it back into Google. You can just very quickly and easily get the hold of anything you see on your screen in a given moment, so it doesn't escape you. It is pretty useful and only getting better, as of course the Google AI systems that drive it are getting much better at actually identifying objects and giving you the best possible results with the data it was given. So that's pretty much everything you need to know about what Google's Circle to Search is and how to use it. So if you found this video helpful, maybe subscribe to How to Authority for more like this in the future.